Samsung dryer seems to be stuck in cooling mode. We checked all the sensors, cleaned them all, tried a time cycle versus a sensor cycle, and still nothing but cool air. We replaced the heating element 2 months ago. At that time the cooling mode wasn't stuck on as it appears to be now. Any other suggestions other than dropping it off a cliff at this point? It's only 5 years old.
Do you know the model of your Samsung dryer?
DV42H5200EU/A3.
How long has this been going on with your Samsung dryer? What have you tried so far?
It just happened last night after having no issues the entire day before. We have inspected the moisture sensors and cleaned them all. We tried unhooking the main board to see if that would reset it. We are not getting any error messages.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It is showing cooling mode regardless of what cycle we try to use.
Hi, my name is. I am sorry to hear you are having an issue with your dryer. From what you have provided in your answer of what you did and checked, then the electronic control board will need to be replaced.
We did repair a wire that was fried and inspected the heating element, and it was still good. Could it be the thermistor? Should we even bother trying to mess with it or just replace the electronic control board?
What was the wire attached to?
It was the red lead attached to the heating element.
Okay, thanks. You already check all the thermistor and say they are good.
Everything looked intact and okay except for the red lead. We partially out the dryer back together to see if that was the problem. We got the warning and the cooling light was still on. We bagged it at the point and a local technician said it was the thermistor, but he did not actually inspect it.
The warning is for the door is open. Okay, so if the technician says it is the thermistor without even checking it, I would say he or she's seen something to request the part changed. Not saying he or she is wrong, but parts should be checked before changing. If not, you spend money that you don't need to.
I just checked again with the door shut and I think you are correct. The warning went away, but the cooling indicator is still on no matter what cycle we put the dryer on. He advised the thermistor over the phone. I attached a picture of the front panel showing the cooling indicator.
Picture is not clear.
Hopefully this one is better.
That better picture. I am still thinking the board, as if the thermistor was the issue. You would still get heat but would take a long time to dry the clothes.
That makes sense. It has no heat and will not come off the cooling cycle.
I hope this helps you in your repair.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.